What's up? At the mall, getting a new truck. And my truck is totally busted. Like completely broken. So I'm getting a new truck. We are up here at Zumiez. Funny thing, I used to call it Zumiez. Haha. Alright, let's go get me a new truck. So this is Zumiez. It's a cool store. Probably the only cool store in the whole mall. So yeah, let's go pick up a new truck. What will I get? I don't know. Checking out the trucks. I think I want to check out any titaniums you got, and then I want to look at maybe an independent. Alright. There's some trucks. Some more trucks. Some wheels. Don't need wheels. There's some more trucks. Oh, big old wheels. Wow. Oh, dude, clear wheels. Let's go. Oh, look at those Spitfires. Yeah, do you got any titaniums?
We haven't been carrying them a lot. Some of those, you see, these are like the smallest we carry. And I mean, they're so close. Like, if you took the wheels off, I'm pretty sure they're like pretty much the exact same size. Because, you know, you can see where the metal starts and all that.
Yeah. Is that my only options? So I think I'm gonna go with those right there, Thunder trucks. Because I think eventually I'm gonna get
145s too. By the way, these are the ones he was trying to suggest. They're a good in between. So these are still kind of like smaller, but you can ride an 8 to an 825 with these. These would just be a little smaller on an 825, but these are the perfect size for an 8. That's why I was trying to show you this 144s too.
Team Thunder. Kind of like the one with the lightning bolt on it. Is that one different? The one with the lightning bolt? Does it only come in that size or something?
It just says it's a 44, and I think a 44 is a giant.
I just like that lightning bolt.
But you can't raw iron one.
So this is the winner. It's called the Royal. I just like the curve on it. See, it's got a nice curve, and
I might even have a board.
That's how the grind
an 8 or an 825 that you like the design, and it might even match colorway